Hey, FitQuesters! Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey and get stronger in just 7 days? This beginner-friendly challenge is designed to build your strength, boost your confidence, and make fitness fun. Let's do this! Day 1 is all about laying the foundation. We're starting with simple bodyweight exercises to activate your muscles and perfect your form. Here's what we'll do. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Knee push-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 10 reps. Take it slow and focus on proper technique. If you're new, remember, quality over quantity. Great job! Remember to drink water and give yourself a pat on the back. You're on your way. Today we're focusing on your core, the powerhouse of your body. A strong core helps with balance and posture. Here's the plan. Plank hold, 20 to 30 seconds, 3 rounds. Dead bug, 3 sets of 10 reps. Side plank, knee down, 15 seconds per side, 3 rounds. Feel the burn and embrace the challenge. Core strength is key to overall fitness. Scene transition, day 3, upper body basics. Host, it's time to build strength in your arms, shoulders, and chest. Don't worry if you can't do full push-ups yet. We'll get there together. Incline push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Arm circles, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Wall push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Stay consistent and you'll see progress fast. Scene transition day 4, lower body love. Host, today we're back to focusing on the lower body. Let's strengthen those legs and glutes. Step-ups on a sturdy surface. 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 reps. Sumo squats, 3 sets of 10 reps. Strong legs equal a strong foundation. Keep pushing. Scene transition, day 5, active recovery. Host, you've been crushing it. Today is all about active recovery. Stretch, breathe, and let your body recharge. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Cat-cow stretch, 3 rounds. Seated forward fold, 30 seconds. Hip flexor stretch, 30 seconds per side. Recovery is just as important as the workouts. Your muscles will thank you. Scene transition, day 6, total body tune-up host. Let's put it all together with a full body workout. Jumping jacks for 30 seconds, low impact if needed. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Knee push-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Plank hold for 20 seconds, 3 rounds. Feel the progress you've made this week. Scene transition, day 7, celebrate and reflect host. Day 7 is here. You've worked hard all week, and today is about celebrating your progress. Go for a 20-minute walk or light jog. Stretch out with your favorite moves. Reflect on how far you've come. You've completed the challenge, and I'm so proud of you. Closing scene, uplifting music plays. Cut to the host smiling and giving a thumbs up. Host, congratulations, FitQuesters. You've just completed the 7-day beginner fitness challenge. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Keep moving, keep striving, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FitQuest for more fitness fun. Stay strong and keep shining.